Hi, I'm Amanda. One of Hume's main points is the difference between impressions and ideas. Impressions basically are perceptions, while ideas are your memory of or in your imagination. So seeing the color red would be basically seeing the color itself while also having a feeling of anger. This is his view of impressions. While an idea is just a memory of being able to know what the color red looks like or know what anger feels like. Your experiences are what based your foundations of knowing what you know. So even though you have seen every shade of a color, you haven't seen every shade of a color. You know the difference between each different color. Then, so no matter what your imagination is, it will not be the same as something you have experienced in life.
No matter how much you try to remember or imagine something in your mind.
Hi, my name is Jerel. Impressions to David Hume are described as lively perceptions of our sensations such as feeling, seeing, loving, hating, desire, and will. Off these impressions that we have taken in, we form some kind of idea which are less forcible and lively. For example, counting the bricks. When we had our eyes closed counting the bricks, it wasn't such a vivid image, it was blurry. Once we opened our eyes, we were actually to see that full impression of the bricks. Some of these impressions can be formed into new complex ideas. Impressions are divided into two kinds. One kind is a cessation, and the other kind is a reflection, which is based off ideas.
Oh, I'm Jamal. Another thing David Hume talked about was the knowledge drawn from our senses and from nature, and he talked about it could be basically it could be took into confusion when we think about when we can only imagine things that are combined as opposed to like getting a feeling out of most ideas. So, for example, he used the Golden Mountain and the virtuous horse. When we think of Golden Mountain, we just think of like a gold mountain. When he says virtuous horse, like we take that in because we get the feeling of the word virtue. So,
Okay, so I'm Jeyden, and I did paragraph 14. So in paragraph 14, we talked about impressions. Impressions are vivid and clear images we experience, and every idea which we examine is copied from a similar impression. So, for example, smelling cake is like different from like